In this in-depth review, we'll take a comprehensive look at the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, exploring its unique features, how it stacks up against the competition, and why it could be the most disruptive action camera release in recent years. By the end, it'll be clear why GoPro and DJI should be taking note, as Insta360 challenges their long-standing dominance in the market. While GoPro and DJI are household names, Insta360 has been making waves in a slightly different niche, focusing on 360-degree cameras and immersive video experiences. The company started small, primarily appealing to virtual reality and 360 photography enthusiasts. Over time, Insta360 has become known for its innovative camera designs and high-quality products, such as the Insta360 One X and the Insta360 One R, both of which push the boundaries of what action cameras can do. Now, with the Ace Pro 2, Insta360 is setting its sights squarely on the action camera market, and they've come fully prepared to take on the giants. Their latest model brings together the best of 360-degree technology and traditional action cam capabilities, making it one of the most versatile cameras available today. At first glance, the Ace Pro 2 is sleek, rugged, and modern, fitting the bill for an outdoor adventure companion. But it's more than just good looks. The camera is built to withstand harsh environments. With water resistance up to 10 meters without an external case and a body that's impact resistant, the Ace Pro 2 is designed for thrill seekers who demand durability from their gear. The camera also features a modular design, allowing users to swap out different lenses and attachments based on their specific shooting needs. This modularity gives it an edge over many competitors, as content creators can adapt the camera to a wide range of environments, from underwater to extreme sports to low light settings. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its impressive 8K video resolution. While GoPro's Hero series currently tops out at 5.3K and DJI's Osmo Action at 4K, Insta360's jump to 8K resolution places it in a league of its own. Another area where the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 shines is its low-light performance. Thanks to larger image sensors and advanced software algorithms, the camera can capture clear, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life has always been a sticking point with action cameras, but Insta360 has made strides with. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 isn't just another action camera. It's a bold statement that Insta360 is ready to take on the giants of the industry. With its groundbreaking 8K resolution, superior stabilization, modular design, and excellent low-light capabilities, the Ace Pro 2 challenges the status quo. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.